What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel, is in the building. And listen, I got a great one for you today. I used to be known as the oil lady, but you know what? I've been kind of quiet lately, but I'm coming back with some great ones for you. Check this out, beautiful babes. If you're over 50 or 60 and you love discovering natural ingredients that you can incorporate into your mature skin and hair care routine, you may want to learn more about this one. This is SVA Palmarosa Essential Oil, and today I'm sharing how I use it for my skin, body, hair, scalp, DIY blends, and even around my home. Now, when I say anti-aging, I'm not talking about magically erasing every wrinkle overnight. I'm talking about caring for mature skin, supporting a healthy looking glow, keeping my skin feeling moisturized and conditioned, and creating a consistent self-care routine. And because this is a pure essential oil, I'm also going to show you the most important thing you need to know before putting it anywhere near your skin: dilution. Let's take a closer look at what I'm using. This is the SVA Palmarosa Essential Oil in the 4 fluid ounce size. It comes in an amber bottle with a dropper, which makes it easier to control how much oil I'm using. Palmarosa has a distinctive floral aroma. To me, it fits beautifully into a relaxing beauty and self-care routine. According to the product information, this oil can be used in a diffuser and incorporated into properly diluted skin, body, hair, scalp, and DIY blends. Now let's talk about why this oil caught my attention. As a woman in my 60s, my skincare routine is focused heavily on hydration, maintaining a healthy looking skin barrier, improving the appearance of dullness, and keeping my skin looking soft, smooth, and radiant. As skin matures, it can become drier and may not hold onto moisture the way it once did. That is why I love incorporating moisturizing products, carrier oils, and carefully selected ingredients into my routine. Palmarosa Essential Oil is commonly used in cosmetic and aromatherapy preparations, and I like using it as an optional aromatic addition to a properly diluted beauty blend. I want to be very clear. An essential oil does not replace my sunscreen, moisturizer, retinoid, or other proven skincare products. I consider it an additional self-care ingredient that I can incorporate into my routine when my skin tolerates it. Before I show you how I use it, this is extremely important. I do not apply pure Palmarosa essential oil directly to my face or body. Essential oils are highly concentrated, so I always dilute them with a suitable carrier oil and properly formulated personal care product. I also patch test first, especially because mature skin can sometimes become more sensitive, and I keep essential oils away from my eyes and other sensitive areas. One way I can incorporate Palmarosa essential oil into my routine is by making a simple diluted facial oil. I start with a skin-friendly carrier oil that I already know my skin tolerates, such as jojoba oil or another facial carrier oil. For my face, I keep the essential oil concentration very low. I may add approximately 1 drop of Palmarosa essential oil to about 2 teaspoons of carrier oil. Then I mix it thoroughly. I use only a small amount and gently press the diluted blend onto my skin, usually as one of the final steps in my nighttime routine. Because I use active skincare ingredients on other nights, I prefer to keep my essential oil routine simple rather than layering too many potentially irritating ingredients at the same time. Palmarosa essential oil can also be incorporated into a body oil or massage blend. For a larger area of the body, I add a small amount of a carrier oil and massage the diluted blend onto my arms, legs, hands, or other areas where I want that moisturized, pampered feeling. The carrier oil does most of the moisturizing work, while the Palmarosa adds its beautiful floral aroma to the experience. For me, this turns a basic moisturizing routine into a relaxing self-care ritual. Another easy way I can use Palmarosa is with my body care routine. Rather than adding essential oil to an entire container of lotion without knowing the final concentration, I prefer to mix a properly diluted amount separately and use it carefully. This gives me better control over how much essential oil is touching my skin. And remember, more is not always better with essential oils. Now let's talk about hair and scalp care. According to the product directions, Palmarosa can be incorporated into hair and scalp massage blends when diluted with a suitable carrier oil. I can mix a small amount into a carrier oil and gently massage the diluted blend into my scalp before shampooing. The massage itself can be a wonderful part of my hair care routine because it gives me an opportunity to gently work through my scalp and turn my wash day into a little self-care experience. I can also incorporate Palmarosa into a hair mask or other rinse-out treatment as long as I'm using it in a properly diluted amount and following product directions. And this oil is not just for my beauty routine. I can add a few drops to my diffuser according to the diffuser manufacturer's instructions and enjoy the floral aroma throughout my space. I love products that can fit into several areas of my lifestyle, so being able to use the same essential oil in my beauty routine and my home fragrance routine is definitely a plus for me. If you enjoy DIY projects, there are so many ways to get creative with Palmarosa essential oil. It can be incorporated into properly formulated custom oil blends, room sprays, linen sprays, roll-ons, mists, candles, bath blends, and diffuser blends. Of course, the amount you use will depend on what you are making, so always follow an appropriate recipe and safe dilution guidelines. So beautiful babes, my favorite thing about SVA Palmarosa Essential Oil is its versatility. I can incorporate it into a carefully diluted, mature skincare routine, use it in body and massage blends, add it to my hair and scalp routine, enjoy the aroma in my diffuser, and use it for different DIY projects. For my anti-aging beauty routine, I see Palmarosa as a complimentary self-care ingredient, not a miracle wrinkle eraser. My biggest advice is to keep your dilution low. Patch test first and pay attention to how your skin responds, especially when you're dealing with mature skin. Gentle and consistent is often better than using too much of anything. Beautiful babes, have you ever used Palmarosa essential oil in your skincare, hair care, or home fragrance routine? Let me know down in the comments how you use it. And if you love mature skincare, beauty over 60, natural DIYs, and discovering new ways to care for your skin and hair, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Remember, aging is a blessing, and we can still take care of ourselves, pamper ourselves, and glow beautifully at every age. I'll see you beautiful babes in the next video. Bye now.
lifting each other higher. Steam on the